5 steps to play your media on screen. Step 1 to pair your screen. Initially, download the Cloud Push app from either the Play Store or Amazon App Store. Once the app is installed, make sure to note down the screen ID that pops up on your device screen. Go back to the main screen of the Cloud Push dashboard. Navigate to the Screen section in the left panel of the dashboard. Within this section, click on Add Screen and provide the required information such as Screen ID, Screen Name, Screen Group, Tag, Device Type, and Auto Start. Finally, hit the Submit button to save your changes. Before connecting your screen, you'll notice this symbol on your screen status. After pairing your screen, here's what you'll see on the Android TV. Once you've made the connection, refresh the page to sync your screen. Step 2, uploading media. Click on Media in the left sidebar of the dashboard. This is where you can add your pictures, music, videos, and website links to display on the screen. For a single image upload, pick the Single Upload option. Fill in details like the image name, how you want it displayed, optimize it if needed, choose a background color, upload the image, and hit Submit. To upload multiple images at once, choose Bulk Upload. Fill in the required information such as image name, content display, image optimization, background color, and then upload your images. Finally, click the Submit button. Click on Audio and Video and decide whether you want to upload them one by one or in bulk. For uploading one audio or video file, choose Single Upload. Fill in details like file name and content display. Select background color, then pick the file and click Start Upload. To add a link, click on Web Link and fill in the necessary information. You can choose between a regular web link, embedded code, or a YouTube link. Click on YouTube link, fill in details like type, the YouTube link, name, duration, and here you can also adjust how long your YouTube videos play for. And click Submit. Step 3. Creating playlist. Navigate to the Playlist option located in the left menu of the dashboard. Next, select Add Playlist and enter the desired name for your playlist. Then, click on the plus icon within the content panel where your media files are stored. Followed by hitting the Create button. Step 4. Scheduling media. Go to the dashboard's left menu and select Schedule to Play. Next, click on Add Schedule and enter a name for your schedule. Then, choose the screen you want to schedule for. After that, click on the plus icon in the content panel to add the playlist you've made earlier. Finally, hit the Create or Create and Play button. Step 5. Play the schedule. Once you have arranged the playlist, just press play. After that, the Cloud Push app downloads the file and showcases it on your Android TV screen.